What is Kwanzaa? Kwanzaa is a cultural holiday that celebrates African heritage, community, and shared values. It is observed annually from December 26 to January 1 and is rooted in African traditions while serving as a modern opportunity for people of African descent to honor their history, reflect on their shared values, and foster a sense of unity. Origins of Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa was founded in 1966 by Dr. Maulana Karenga, a professor of Africana studies, activist, and cultural scholar. Inspired by traditional African harvest festivals, Dr. Karenga created Kwanzaa during the aftermath of the civil rights movement to promote cultural pride and unity among African Americans. The name Kwanzaa is derived from the Swahili phrase, Matunda ya Kwanza, meaning first fruits. Swahili was chosen as a unifying language because it is widely spoken across many African nations. While not a religious holiday, Kwanzaa emphasizes spirituality, ethics, and self-reflection through its core principles. The core of Kwanzaa, Nguzo Saba, the seven principles. At the heart of Kwanzaa are the seven principles, known as the Nguzo Saba, which represent the essential values of African culture and community building. Each day of Kwanzaa is dedicated to one principle, umoja, unity, meaning striving for and maintaining unity in the family, community, nation, and race. Focus, encouraging harmony and connection among people. Kujichagulia, self-determination, meaning defining, naming, creating, and speaking for oneself. Focus, empowering individuals to take control of their destiny and assert their identity. Ujima, collective work and responsibility, meaning building and maintaining the community together while solving shared problems. Focus, strengthening bonds through shared accountability. Ujama, cooperative economics, meaning supporting businesses within the community to achieve shared wealth. Focus, encouraging economic empowerment through collaboration. Nia, purpose, meaning restoring the community to its greatness and developing a collective purpose. Focus, encouraging personal and communal aspirations to uplift the community. Kumba, creativity, meaning using creativity to make the community more beautiful and beneficial than it was before. Focus, innovating and expressing oneself while contributing to cultural progress. Amani, faith, meaning believing in people, purpose, and the struggle for righteousness. Focus, nurturing trust in the collective efforts of the community and faith in a better future. Symbols of Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa celebrations incorporate 7 core symbols, each representing the values and history celebrated during the holiday. Kinara, candle holder, holds 7 candles, representing the 7 principles. Mishima Saba, 7 candles. The candles are 3 red, 3 green, and 1 black. Red represents the struggle of the people, green symbolizes hope for the future, and black stands for the people themselves. Makika, the mat, a woven mat that serves as the foundation for other symbols, representing history and tradition. Mazao, crops, represents the fruits of collective labor and gratitude for the harvest. Kikombe cha umoja, unity cup, used to pour libations and celebrate unity. Zawadi, gifts, often educational or handmade, are exchanged among family members to symbolize growth and mutual care. The Bendera, flag, the colors of the Kwanzaa flag, red, black, and green, are drawn from Marcus Garvey's Pan-African flag. How is Kwanzaa celebrated? Kwanzaa is observed with joy, reflection, and community-building activities. Families and communities participate in various traditions. Each night, 1 candle is lit to reflect on a corresponding principle. The black candle, representing umoja, or unity, is lit first, followed by alternating red and green candles. Families share stories about African heritage and discuss how the principles can be applied in everyday life. A communal feast, often held on December 31st, celebrates African culture with traditional dishes, music, and dance. Gifts are exchanged, emphasizing cultural or educational value, such as books or handmade items. Drumming, poetry, and dance performances are common, celebrating the rich artistic traditions of African culture. Who celebrates Kwanzaa? Kwanzaa is primarily observed by African Americans and members of the African diaspora. While its origins are deeply rooted in African culture, people of all backgrounds are encouraged to join in learning about and celebrating the values it represents. Kwanzaa today. Kwanzaa continues to be a meaningful celebration of African heritage, unity, and resilience. It is a time to reflect on the past, celebrate the present, and plan for the future, guided by the principles that promote collective growth and success.